What is up, everyone? Welcome back. So today we are going to be installing an intake on my GMC Sierra. Let's check it out. For now we're using my impact drill, and we have on an 8mm to take off the clamps. Let's loosen that up right there and right there. 3 of them. Let's loosen those up so you can jiggle this off. Now, I don't know how bad. Is the recording? Yeah. I have no idea how bad this intake is. Okay. Put that off. And there's a clamp right here. Come off. Get this hose off. And pull this one off too. Okay. So you have this clamp and this clamp right here. You take off the 2 hoses. You move this to the side. And then there you go. Move that to the side. And then this box is somehow stuck on. It's not even bolted down. Okay. So I'm gonna figure out how the box goes in here. Okay, so this eBay box just came with bolts. I pre-assembled it in the house because I was just looking at pictures because it didn't come with instructions. So I put this frame on the outside of it. But that's all the bolts it came with, besides this one right here, which I'm kind of iffy about. But I'm guessing I have to use these bolts in here for the pan to bolt it down. Only one lines up, or doesn't even line up. So I'm gonna take that pan out and probably use those bolts. So let's see. Let's take out the pan. And let's see if those bolts I'm going to be using for it. Took out this bad boy, and then it goes back in my pocket. I'll place this in here to see if it lines up, and it kind of does line up. So those are the bolts I'm going to be using. So let me just do a little hand tight first to save the space of them. I wish there was instructions in the box, but there weren't. So put that right there on one. I'll show you guys where I'm bolting it down to. There's another one. And the third one. Tighten. Let's get the camera so you guys can see. So 1, 2, and 3. So I used the old clamp for the from the mass airflow sensor. It's 8mm for this, the 7mm for this, one for the intake. I wonder how it's going to be sitting in here, but we'll see right now. All right, so I put the mass airflow sensor on the intake. I'm not gonna use this bracket here. It does not line up with the one it came with, so I'm not gonna bother because it's in a funky angle. It makes no sense. So I'm gonna leave it at that. This right here is supposed to hold these, so I'm gonna take that off the old one right now and I'll show you guys. So here's that piece. It's to hold this together, and I'm gonna push it through right here. Push it this way or this way. I think this way would be best. There you go. It's to hold these up. So let's get this on right here. Let's put that in. And tighten this one so you guys can see. Okay. Okay. All right, first startup. Just aesthetically pleasing. It looks so much better in here than the stock one did. But I gave a few baby revs and it didn't like dislodge itself from any of the right here, so that's good. I'm gonna go for another drive and let's check it out. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I did not film an outro to this, so that's why I'm in my house right now doing it. I was editing and I didn't see the ending part in there. But overall, for it being an eBay intake, I like it. Would I buy it again? Yes. Just to save me $250 to $450 on a name brand intake. I wish it came in with instructions, but overall the install was easy. And the engine bay looks so much nicer just having an aftermarket intake. Yes, it's the eBay intake, but it looks nice. I'll put the link down below where I got it from. Right here is only $62 on eBay compared to $250 to $450, so you can beat that. But thank you guys again for watching this video, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Bye.